Impressively, Land Rover have supplied vehicles to the event since 1981. Solihull, the home of Land Rover, where both Defender 110s and Discovery TDIs are manufactured for the event. For 1992, the 5-door Discovery TDI was chosen as the competitor's vehicle for the second time. Although this Discovery is straight off the production line, a winch, together with other additional features such as bull bar and rollover bars, are fitted to the vehicles before they're ready for the event. Staff make sure all modifications are carefully checked, as the vehicle has to be ready for anything. The electrics on the vehicle have to be modified to accommodate the powerful winch. At Land Rover, a team of specially trained engineers design and prepare the Team Discoveries and the Defender 110 support vehicles before they leave the country to tackle the arduous event. The Defender 110s are used as an ambulance, communications car and a home for the film and video crews.